Hello everyone and welcome to Coding Cart. So in this session we are going to solve one hackering problem from the topic strings in Python. So you can see here the problem name is string split and join. Means we have to use here split function and join function. So in this problem you can see here they will give one input string, and what we have to do here is we have to split the string on the basis of space, and after split we have to join again with the hyphen between them. So you can see here they have used split, means they are splitting the given string on the basis of space, and after split this is my result. It will return one list in which it will contain the substring. Now we have to apply join function on this list, means we have to join all the substring with a hyphen between them. So you can see here this is my output. You can see here hyphen is between two substring. After joining we are getting this as output. So we have to complete this function split and join. Here they are passing the simple string. We have to write our logic here. So let me explain you this in my editor first, then we will write the code. Let me paste here in the variable a. Now the very first thing is we have to split this given string. Suppose we are applying a split function on this given string a dot split. Now here if we are not passing anything in this split function, then by default it will assume the delimiter is space. So let us save this in a variable x equal to a dot split. Let us print and see what is the value in x. So now you can see here, so if we are not passing any delimiter, then by default it will assume space and it will split this string on the basis of space. So you can see this was my very first space, so this is the very first substring, this was the second space, and this is the substring. Now suppose I am passing one delimiter. For example, suppose here s have occurred a lot. Let me pass s. Now you can see the output. Now you can see here we got the very first substring as thi. It is splitted on the basis of this character s. After that we got a space I. You can see here space I. So this is how it works. Means if we are passing the delimiter, so it works on the basis of that delimiter. Now this is our list which we got after splitting. Now we have to join this each substring with the help of hyphen between them. Now for that we have to use join function. So for that let us use join. Now we have to join on the basis of hyphen between them. So hyphen, it means this is string dot join, and we have to join this list, this x. Now when it is going to join all this substring into a single string, then I want to pass the value either space. If I pass the space, then I will get this same value. Now let me show this. Let me show you this first. Suppose this is, again I am saving this in x equal to x, or let us save this in y. Now you can see here if I print y, then it will return the same value as a. You can see here. Now if I pass here the value, suppose star, then it will join with a star between two substring, but they have asked to use hyphen between them. So this is the required output. So this is a single 2 line of code. We'll apply the same logic over there. So let us write the same logic. Just copy and paste here. So here the input is in variable line. So here line dot split, and let us save that in a variable, suppose a. Now what we have to do here, after splitting we have to apply join function. So let us use string, and we have to use hyphen dot join this a, means it will return the list. Now we have to join this list on the basis of hyphen, and we are saving this in a variable suppose x. Now we are done. Let us return this x. So we are done. So let us run this code. So you can see here it is working fine. Let me submit this code. So congratulations, we are done with the hidden test case. So in this problem they were basically asking us to use this split function and join function. So if you like this video, please do give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Coding Cart, and thanks for watching.